Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix when you are playing game on your Windows 11. So at that time you are facing blue screen of death on your Windows 11, as you can see guys in my screen. So how to fix this irritating problem? Now in this video we will learn this guys. Okay, so let's get started. So when you are facing this kind of problem, first you need to check your game requirement, system requirement. Your game will support your system requirement or not. First you need to check this. If the game requirements support your system, afterwards you are facing this kind of problem, now you can try the next methods. Okay, so now first you need to restart your PC. After restarting you can try the next method. Press Windows key button and here you need to search edit power plan and open it. Here you need to open change advanced power settings. Just click on it, and here guys scroll down and extend processor power management like this, and then you need to extend minimum processor state. Extend this, and here you need to select on battery 5% and plugged in 5%. After this guys, click on apply and click on OK. Now check your game performance. It will fix your problem or not. Still, in case you are facing same type of problem, now you can try the next method. Now you need to update your graphic card driver on your PC. To update your graphic card driver, you need to open the device manager. Hold Windows key button and then press X from your keyboard. From here you need to open the device manager. Okay, in the device manager guys, extend display adapters. Right click on your adapt drivers, display driver, and here click on update driver. Here you can get two options, offline and online. So first option is this guys. From here you can easily able to update your driver online. From the second method you can update your driver offline. Just you need to try this both method one by one and just install the graphic card driver. After installing, it will ask you to restart your PC. Just restart it. Okay, now close the device manager and open your game and play your game. Check your gaming performance on your PC. It will working fine or not. In case still you are facing same type of problem, now you can try the next method. Close your game, press Windows key button once again, and here you need to search Windows Memory Diagnostic and open it. From here you need to select restart now and check for problem recommended. Just you need to select this option. It will show your memory RAM issues on your Windows 11 and fix that problem. Okay, so after doing this method guys, now hopefully this will helps you to fix your problem. Still, in case you are facing same type of problem, now you can try next method. Press Windows key button and here you need to search command prompt like this. Right click on your command prompt and open it on administrator mode like this, and here you need to search sfc /scan. Now this command you need to type and hit enter from your keyboard. It will start the process on your command prompt, so don't disturb your command prompt till the process was completed. After the process was completed, now you can close this command prompt. After closing, restart your PC one more time. After restarting, open your game and play your game on your PC. It will fix your problem. You will not get blue screen of death on your PC. Okay, in case still you are getting same issue, same problem, now you can try the last and final method. Now you need to update your Windows 11. So to update the PC, once again you need to open your Windows settings. Use the shortcut key, hold Windows key button and then press I from your keyboard. So it will open these settings. In these settings, go to Windows Update. From here you can able to update the Windows 11. After updating, it will fix your problem 100%. So these are the easy and simple solutions to fix this problem. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. Please comment down below with option which method is worked with you. If you enjoy this video, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.